Hello all, welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the last lesson, we have learned imperative mode in Tulu. Today we are going to learn interrogative and indefinite pronouns in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also, please like and share this video if you liked it. We have already learned subjective pronouns in lesson 2. Now let us see interrogative pronouns in Tulu. An interrogative pronoun is a pronoun which is used in order to ask questions. Interrogative pronouns in Tulu are da means what, enchina means what, eru who, oh which one. Declensions of these pronouns are same as subjective pronouns, but these pronouns are used in only some cases. Examples: eru means who, eren whom, ererdu from or by whom, eregu for or to whom, erena whose, ereda with or to whom, dada what, daden what, enchina what, enchinen what, enchined from or by what, enchinek to or for what, enchinetta of what. Oh means which one, waven or wine which one, wairdu from or by which one, waik for or to which one, waita of which one, wait in which one, waita with or to which one. Let us now make some sentences using these pronouns. Ninna pudarenchina, what is your name? Au dada, what is that? Ee dada bele malpuni, what job do you do? Eru battini, who came? Ee katenu eru barittini, who has written this story? Udu erena illu, whose house is this? Ereda panda, with whom did you tell? Ee reddangiledu nikku oh wow, which one do you choose from these two shirts? Now let us see indefinite pronouns in Tulu. An indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that does not refer to any person or thing in particular. Some of the indefinite pronouns in Tulu are dala, anything, dadandala, anything or something, dadana, something, erla, anyone, erandala, anyone or someone, era, someone, ola, anything, ova, something, variye, one person, refer to male, orti, one person, refer to female, vanji, one thing, kudonji, another thing, kudorye, another person, refer to male, kudorti, another person, refer to female, mata, all, mater, all people, matala, everything, materla, everyone, kelau, some or several, kelaver, some people. Declensions of these pronouns are same as subjective pronouns, but these pronouns are used in only some cases. Also, the case suffixes should be added to the crude form before adding suffixes or particles la, na or a. Example: da la means anything, da degla for or to anything, da della anything, da dandala, dada plus andala anything, dadegandala for or to anything, dadana something. Dadega, for or to something. Erla, anyone. Eredala, from anyone. Eredala, with or to anyone. Era, someone. Erega, for or to someone. Eredana, with or to someone. Oikla, for or to anything. Vaidda, from something. Variyana, one person. Vartirdu, from one person. Vanjegu, for or to one thing. Kudurtida, with or to another person. Matekla, for or to everything. Materedila, from everyone. Kelaveregu, for or to some people. Let us now make some sentences using these pronouns. Nikku dala pandre unda. Do you have anything to say? Podyorchi dala apuji. Don't fear, nothing will happen. Dadandala malpula. Do something. Aig dadana atandu. Something has happened to him. Illad erla ullera. Is anyone home? Erla ijjer. No one is there. Daidid erandala ink saya malpule. Please anyone help me. Ninanu era lettonduller. Someone is calling you. Era baidir. Someone has come. Era baidijir. Someone has not come. Erla baidijir. No one has come. Eradala panodchi. Don't say with anyone. Ar eradana kendir. He or she asked with someone. Variye udda itte, kudariye kudya itte. One was tall and the other one was short. Mata poir, all went. Materla ninan tuvondittir. Everyone was looking at you. Matala sama apandu. Everything will be all right. Kelavu batta, kelavu nanala baidija. Some have come, but some have not come yet. Kelaver ini popir, varidinakulu ella popir. Some people will go today, rest of them will go tomorrow. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next video, we will learn potential mode in Tulu.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.